Okay, well, good evening, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome, every one of you, to TrioTech Software Trainings. My name is Kumar. I'm the founder director for TrioTech Software Trainings, and also I'm a lead trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in TrioTech. So, before starting the session for today, let me have an announcement for every one of you in the demo today. See, in today's session, we kept everyone in mute. Why? Because team, probably some of you might be already trying to unmute yourself, but we kept everyone in mute. Why? Because today in this session, we have mix of participants attending. I mean to say, there are people from different backgrounds who joined the session today. Like if I have to mention few of the criterias that people comes from, among you people, we have the college passed out freshers who recently passed out from their colleges looking for a good technology to start their career in IT with a high salaries. We have that kind of people in the call today. And we have people who passed out from their colleges with a career gap of 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. Now they want to learn one good technology in the market and they want to start their career. We have that set of people in the session today. And we also have people from other non-IT experiences. Prior to this, you might be working in different non-IT domains. You might be working in banking industry, insurance industry, or you might be into sales, marketing, recruitment, HRs, talent acquisition specialist, US staffing admins, or you might be into BPO, or you might be into testings of Google Maps and all. People from different non-IT backgrounds also attending the session today. And we also have people with long career breaks, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, long career breaks you have. Probably the women participants after their marriages, maternity breaks, they were into long breaks. Now you want to restart your career. Even men also, you might be working in some domain area prior to 5 years back or 10 years back. Now you want to choose one good technology in the market. You want to restart your career. We have that kind of participants attending the session today. And also we have people who are already working in IT industry but in other domains, not into Oracle Fusion. They might be working in Azure, they might be working in Java, Python, or they might be working in DevOps or some other tools, or into testing, or into DBS, or into other ERPs prior to Oracle, what we have like EBS, PeopleSoft, SAP. Now you want to choose one good technology and you want to transition your career. Probably you might not have good demand in the technology that what you are currently working in. Phenomenal growth you are not expecting there, no salary hikes you are expecting there, your technology might become a burden to you to manage. Now you are looking for a one good technology which is suitable to you to start your career. So see, we have people from different backgrounds, different experiences, different ideologies joined the session today. So that's why I kept everyone in mute, because whatever the questions that you people have in your mind today at this point of time, I can say that 70 to 80% of your questions, what you have at this point of time, after this session, you will get clarity with this class only. Maximum 70 to 80% of your questions. Beyond that, if you have any concerns, any questions that you want to discuss with me, at the end of the class, I will open the forum for Q&A. Detailedly, we will discuss one-on-one, and then only I will close the session, team. Why? Because if I start taking the questions in between, everyone have their own perspective of questioning, the concerns, doubts. Your question might not be relevant for other participants. They might get carried away. They might not be understanding what we are discussing. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, I kept everyone in forced mute. At the end of the session, we will detailedly discuss and we will close the session for today. If you have anything, make a note of them, jot it down. At the end, we will discuss detailedly, team. Okay. Now, generally, what people will have before choosing this technology, because I know some of the questions that what you have in your mind, because I started TrioTech in 2015. Since then, in these last 11 years, I trained many students in this technology personally. So whenever people interacting with me, even people who joined the session today, many of you already spoke with me prior to this session. Some of you came to office and you interacted with me or my team. So what will be the general questions that you people have at this point of time? Kumar, what is this technology is about? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud means what? Who will use this product for what purpose in the market? Once we learn this technology, in what sort of companies we will be recruited, what work we will do over there, does it require any prerequisites to learn? Any coding is required to learn, or any languages like Java, Python, or SQL, PLSQL, or any programming or any data related languages we have to learn prior to learning this Oracle HCM Cloud? Or am I eligible with my background to choose this career at this point of time? These all are the questions generally everyone getting hunted with, right? So I'm going to cover all these aspects in this session only today. So I request everyone for next 1 hour to 1 hour 15-20 minutes, please be on mute, concentrate the session to understand more detailedly about this technology, team. Because at this point of time, you are going to choose this as your career. So how this technology is in the market, how good this domain will be for your career for next 10-15 years, you have to be very concentratingly understanding this, team. So please be on mute, concentrate the session, don't get deviated. At the end, I'm going to explain you what will be the course program details, fee, what will be the offer that we are giving for today, any additional benefits you will be getting, the entire support of placement, what we provide as part of this training. These all I'll discuss at the end of the session, team. So I request everyone, please be on the call till end to get maximum details about the program. Okay. Now let me get into today's topic, right? Why we joined today? Why we all gathered today in this session? What we are going to learn? See, today I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying jobs even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with the non-IT experiences. Today, we are here to know about how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge. Many participants will have problem with this because when I interacted in my personal experience with many students, the main concern for every one of us will have is hesitation towards the coding. Some people will tell me, Kumar, I don't know any language prior to this. I can't even understand if I get trained on that. Basic C, C++ language also I don't know. If someone trained me also, I don't understand that. That is not my cup of soup. Okay. So many people have this constraint about this uh, coding part, right? So this particular technology that what we are going to learn today, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications is completely zero coding application. When I say zero coding, not minimal, moderate, medium, completely zero coding. It's a plain functional application to handle team. Okay. So if you have a question in mind, Kumar, do we need to learn any prior languages before learning this Oracle HCM Cloud? Absolutely a big no. It's not required thing. It's a plain functional application already Oracle designed, developed and delivered. Then what we will do here, if already Oracle developed the application, what we will do? We will be working on the configurations of the application. As per the client requirement, their data configurations we will work in the real time. That eventually you will get once we get into detailed training team. So this is completely a zero coding application with non-IT experiences also you can start your career. The best part with Oracle technologies, unlike other applications, other technologies in the market, companies will not look at your college education with respective to computer science or IT. People from any qualification, you might be from Bachelor of Arts, BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, MBA, MCA, or BTech, MTech, even from pharmacy also, we have many testimonials that people transition their career into IT. So companies will consider any graduate employees to learn this technology and to recruit them. But the only criteria companies will look at you is the knowledge that you have in this domain, whether you are a trained resource in this technology or not. Only the criteria companies will look at. I'm not passing this statement just like that or a vague statement. We have many personal experiences team. If you could follow our YouTube channel or Instagram channel, whoever the success placement stories that we posted, many of them comes from different non-IT educations. All are not from BTech, all are not from MTech or MSc computers or BSc computers. Many cases that we have experienced. Not only that, every month different companies will be reaching out to me for trained resources from TrioTech because we've been almost 11 years in the market since 2015. Many of my students only are in very good positions currently in the real-time companies, in project managers, in account managers, in director levels also, few of them were there. So they will directly recruit the candidates from us every month. During that time, when we interacted, the only criteria they are looking at is the knowledge or the skill set the candidate having. So anyone from any background, if they want to transition their career into IT, this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications will be the best choice for them. Definitely. So first of all, what is this HCM? Okay, Kumar, it's zero coding. It's non-IT people also can learn this. You are telling. What is this HCM? What is full form of HCM? Oracle Fusion Human Capital Management Cloud Applications. Basically, this is a HR related software application team. Any company any company, when they buy this product from Oracle, they will use this application for their day-to-day HR activities to perform. This is a HR related software application. Now, immediately, some of my friends will get a doubt here. Kumar, you are telling it's a HR related application, means we are going to start our jobs as a HRs in the company. HRs means generally the packages will not be that high, the growth wise will not be that good. Okay, I'm not pointing the HR domain people here, just reality in the market I'm talking. Okay. So people might have this doubt. No, you will not start your career as a domain HRs. This is HR related software application. Once you learn this technology, you will be hired in the market in so-called IT companies as a Oracle Fusion HCM consultants in Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, so-called IT companies we have, right? In that companies, you will be hired as Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud consultants in their company. So whenever they got the project from a client, you will be deployed for that and you will be working on the implementation of this application. What is implementation, Kumar? What is client, first of all? That I will tell. We have a slide for that. So today we all gathered here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So Redwood and AI, these are the concepts within the Oracle HCM Cloud applications team. Redwood is the latest user interface Oracle came up. AI, we know. And many of you also have this question also. Kumar, what is the AI impact on this technology? If we learn this in 2026, will our job will be safe or AI will replace? Already we are using AI in this technology. That impact also I will tell. We don't have any impact. That also I will cover in this session team. So this is about the intro about the demo that we joined for. So before getting into today's agenda, let me briefly introduce about myself. Because when you're learning any technology, you should also know about your trainer. Who is he? What experience he is having? Many of you might be aware of me. You might be personally interacted with me prior to this session over the call or directly in my office in Hyderabad, or probably you might be seeing me in YouTube or Instagram channels. Let me introduce about myself quickly. As I mentioned to you, my name is Kumar. I am the founder director for TrioTech Software Trainings. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 16 plus years of experience, in which last 12 plus years I'm into this core IT consulting. And from last 10 years, I'm working in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications exclusively team. and I work close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects. And coming to the clients that I worked for, they are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, and some of the Indian clients also I supported their projects. Currently also, I am working for one of the global implementation where the client having presence in more than 40 plus countries. And I am the solution architect for that particular client project where I am handling 25 plus resources in my team. And along with TrioTech software trainings, I also have a software consulting firm, Triospace Business Solutions Private Limited, where me and my team will work with the clients directly for their project implementations and their offshore supports and all. And I'm also a corporate trainer, delivered close to 25 plus trainings to several companies. A part of my regular trainings in TrioTech every month, like the batches how you joined today, several companies will be reaching out to us for trainings in their companies for their employees. So I also delivered 25 plus corporate trainings in this respective technology team. And I'm also a registered trainer in Oracle University where I conducted trainings for couple of participants in Oracle University as well. And coming to my professional experience, prior to I starting my own company, I am an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee team. And as I mentioned to you, I completed certifications in the modules of Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So this is my personal experience or professional experience I have. So to have a quick intro about TrioTech as well, as I mentioned to you, okay, TrioTech software trainings I started in 2015. In these 11 years of period, we trained more than 20,000 plus individuals covering online, offline, and open sources who completed our trainings team. More than 1,000 plus batches considering all the technologies that we train here, and we have more than 40 plus instructors across all the trainings we provide. So I'm dealing with Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. We also train on Oracle Fusion Financials, Supply Chain, then Oracle Integration Cloud, then Oracle Recruiting Cloud. So we exclusively train only on Oracle Technologies team. And if you see our corporate training partners, I told you here, right? I delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies. These are some of the companies where I conducted the trainings for their employees. In these organizations, DHL, we all know, Amway, we know, Herbalife Nutrition, we know, American Express, we know. These all companies using Oracle Fusion Cloud applications in their organizations for their internal IT team to upskill them in this technology. We conducted corporate trainings for them as well. So this is the brief intro about TrioTech software trainings. And I can also say proudly that we are also having world's largest Oracle Fusion training community in the YouTube channel. Many of you might aware of this. If you go to YouTube and if you could type TrioTech software trainings, you can find our presence in YouTube as well, where you can see several content related to Oracle Fusion HCM financials. Okay, we'll be uploading day by day. You can see team. Okay, so this is about our TrioTech software trainings intro, and Oracle given as a silver play button for reaching out the 100K milestone couple of months back. And these are our team working in Hyderabad office today. So this is a brief intro about me and TrioTech software trainings. Now let us go through today's agenda. What we are going to discuss in today's session. These are the topics that I planned for today's session, team. First of all, I'll be introducing to you the concept of ERP. Why? Because Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, whatever the technology that we are going to learn, that comes under ERP family. What is ERP? Why companies will use this? What are the different ERP products we have in the market like Oracle? Let me give you a brief intro here, team. And then I will talk about what is this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications about and its evolution overview. First of all, what is Oracle HCM Cloud? Prior to Oracle Fusion, what is the background of Oracle? The entire evolution, when Oracle introduced this technology in the market, the entire history of the Fusion applications, I will tell you here, team. And then we will talk about types of companies involved. Anyone who planning to learn any software technology in the market to start your career, you have to know the fundamental difference between the companies involved in the usability of that product. Like, what is client, who is vendor, who is the consulting company. So once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be working, that I will give you clarity here, team. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. Like every other software application, within our Oracle Fusion also, we have the software versions upgradation. Like how our Apple iPhone will upgrade from iOS 10 to iOS 11, iOS 13 to iOS 14. Now the recent upgrade happened. Everyone facing troubles with latest update in iOS, right? Or in Android, how our software will upgrade over that time, or how our Windows laptop from Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 9, Windows 10, over the span of time, how these softwares are upgrading. Within Fusion application also, we have the upgradation policy. So when Oracle launched this product, what is the version they came up with? Now we are in 2026. Today is January 29th. As of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? Because it's going to be an important five-star market question in the interview also. What is the version that you are working on currently? Or way back when you start your career, what is the version that you started working on? So here I'm going to give you clear understanding about the Oracle release versions. And then team, I'll talk about modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. So many people have a question here because prior to attending today's demo, someone might be referred to join here and they might told you we have functional, we have technical, or anyone who ever mentioned about this technology to you, they might mention about functional technical, because many people have this question, Kumar, what is functional? What is technical? What we have to learn to get a job in this domain? So here I'm going to clear you what are the modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and the role of Redwood and AI. I'll talk about that here, team. Then the most important thing, career opportunities in this domain. Once you learn this course, how the market is, any recession impact we have, okay, how the calls are, what sort of packages company is offering. Freshers means do we have calls? Experienced means what range of packages company is offering. How long lasting? Kumar, we are learning this domain now in 2026. Let's say 3 months is the course period. In fourth month or fifth month, we got a job. How many years we can be in this domain? That all I'll address here, team. Then I will introduce to you Oracle's knowledge repository. on top of the materials that what I provide, where in the internet you can go and you can access Oracle documentation that I will introduce to you. Then some of you having a question with the certification also. Kumar, in IT industry, people will tell that whenever you learn any technology, do the certification in that. So first of all, certification is mandatory in this domain or not? If I have to do, what is the process or the approach? What is the cost incurred? What support I will provide? That all I will tell you. And finally, we will conclude the session today with why TrioTech, why Kumar is your trainer for HCM Cloud. So I will explain you the entire course features. From tomorrow, regular classes will start. The timings, weekly, how many days, and what sort of environment access we will provide, materials we will provide, interview support or interview preparation we provide, how our placement team will involve in your placement preparations, then the course fee and the early bird offer for today, what we are giving to you. These all we will discuss, team. So before getting into the very first topic for today, introduction to ERP, a small request to everyone. Our admin team dropping a Google form link in the Zoom chat. If you could see your Zoom chat tile in the chat button, you are getting a notification. Our admin sharing a Google form link. I request everyone, please fill that Google form because after the session, our team will reach out to you for the registration process or any communication that we want to do, the recording of this session or next class schedule communication. From that details only we can get in gel with you. So please fill that Google form. Don't forget that. Attending the session, if you miss that Google form, no connection between we and you. So please fill that Google form, team. And as it is a demo today, we started the session already bit late because people joined lately and even now some people are joining. Today session will be slightly extended for more 15 to 20 minutes, team. But from tomorrow, strictly the timings will be maintained 7 to 8. Session will start by 7, it will end by 8. So I request everyone from tomorrow, please be on the call by sharp 7 p.m. So today session will slightly extend. I request everyone, please be on the call till the end to understand the benefits about the program and what offer we have for today. So let me quickly start with introduction to ERP. But before that, team, for whom this course is for, if you fall in any of these criteria, this technology is absolutely suitable to you. If you are in your final year of your degree, you want to complete your studies and you want to start your career in IT, you are planning to learn a good technology, high demanded technology, it's suitable to you. Or if you have just completed your graduation, don't know what to do, which technology to choose, this will be suitable to you. If you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current boring, unstable, non IT jobs, then this technology is suitable to you. If you are planning for 25 to 45 lakhs per annum, not today, in the next 4 to 5 years, team, then this technology is suitable to you because in this domain, people with this experience, 4 to 5 years or 6 years, they are in this range of packages only. People from any degree, any background, eligible to learn. As I mentioned, it's a completely zero coding and no prerequisites to learn, team. If you fall in any of these criterias, you are eligible to learn this. Now let me move to ERP concept. What is ERP? First topic I told, right? Introduction to ERP. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource planning. Basically, it's a concept team. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, commerce, manufacturing, and HR activities. If you take example here, come to the picture on the right hand side. You take any company as an example team, a very well-known Indian companies like Tata Group, Reliance Industries, or any company for that matter, Flipkart, Amazon, Alibaba, or Apple, Google, any company you take as an example. In every company, there will be different business activities involved. There will be HR department in every company who is responsible of managing the employees in that organization, starting from recruiting them, managing them, their leaves, their salary processings, their appraisals, hire to retire. Everything HR department people will manage. And in every company, finance department will be there who will take care of all company related finance activities, payables, receivables, cash flows, everything. If it is a manufacturing company, supply chain department, procurement department, advertising, sales. If a company have to operate in the market, different business activities are involved. In order to conduct all these different business activities, that too with a integrated model, we require a software application team. For example, you take human resources because our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. In any company, what HR people will do? They will recruit the employees, hiring of the employee, then their transfers, promotions, demotions, then their leaves every month, their salaries every month processing, then their appraisals, from hire to retire, everything HR people in any organization they will maintain. But in order to conduct all these day-to-day HR activities, in order to manage that employees in the company, they require a modular tech-based HR software application team. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to this IT technologies, how companies manage? 30 years back, 40 years back, team, traditional way. We used to maintain manually how many employees are working in the company. We used to write the books, write in the books. Account books will be there now. We used to write in that. Every day absence, present, attendance used to take physically. Then salaries used to pay through cash. But with the intervention of technology, IT into the market team, different tech-based software applications came into the market. So, in order to conduct all these day-to-day business operations, every company requires a modular tech-based software applications team. Particularly in any company, in order to conduct the HR related activities, HR related software applications are required. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation in the market is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud. So it's a HR related software application every company will use in their day-to-day HR activities to perform team. So similarly, we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Supply Chain Cloud. For different business activities, different products are there team. And few of the other ERPs in the market, like Oracle team, we have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Workday, we have Northgate, Pegasus, our very well-known Indian company. These days become very popular, Zoho. These all are the ERP products in the market. ERP is a family, is a category. Under that, these are the different products that are offered by different companies team. So our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is this one. So if I go to the next slide, you can understand team. So generally in every company, these all are the HR activities. What is Oracle HCM Cloud means? HR activities are what team? attracting the talent, hiring them into the company, onboarding them, setting the goals to them, compensation, salaries to them, then leave management, their absence maintenance, their reviews, their time management, their attendance taking up and all team. So entire hire to retire cycle this is team. So in every organization, in order to conduct their day-to-day HR operations team, every company, as per their budgets, as per their likeliness, whatever they want, they will purchase an HR related ERP applications team. So one such product Oracle offering in the market is our Oracle HCM Cloud applications. So why companies will purchase this Oracle HCM from Oracle? They will use in their day-to-day HR activities to perform. That is about team ERP and what is Oracle HCM Cloud. Now, let us talk about bit history about Fusion application. Kumar, really these all required today in demo? Obviously, whenever you are learning any technology, learn from scratch, learn from basics, learn from roots, from where it got evolved. Prior to Oracle Fusion, what are they? And why Oracle Fusion today becoming more demanded? These all things you have to know. That's why I kept this slide team. Oracle Fusion evolution path. See, prior to 2006, whatever these all are applications team. Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards World, Siebel. Prior to 2006, these all are the individual ERP products available in the market during that time. Oracle's own ERP product was e-business suite during that time. PeopleSoft was owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards was owned by JD Edwards. Siebel was owned by Siebel. But team, during that time, none of the ERP applications in the market was very good at all the business areas team. The problem what the companies noticed, PeopleSoft, if you take, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, human resource management, like our Fusion HCM team. JD Edwards was very good at procurement and financials area. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management business area, sales. Hyperion is very good at reporting. Oracle's own e-business suite is very good at financials. But none of the applications during that time was very stable in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did? Oracle identified the gap in the market. So we have to develop one robust application which will accommodate all the business needs of the customer. So what Oracle did team in the year 2006, when in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, one of the world's biggest acquisition during that time done by Oracle. With $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the best of the best ERP products in the market during that time. Anyhow, EBS is their own product. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. What Oracle did? Oracle taken the best of the best knowledge from all these existing applications and developed a new age futuristic applications, that is Oracle Fusion Cloud applications team. Now we can say proudly Oracle Fusion applications are very stable, very matured in all the business areas team. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, PPM, CRM. In all the business areas, Oracle Fusion applications became more stable. Why Oracle became more successful? See, in 2006, it acquired, I told, right? In 2011, Oracle announced Fusion applications. Huh? Kumar, in 2026 we are. You are telling that Fusion applications introduced by Oracle in 2011, almost 15 years back, these applications are the age of this. You are telling us to learn today in 2026. Yes, in 2011, Oracle announced it. Yeah, that's all. But actual applications were started from 2014, 2015 onwards team. And every product, in order to success in the market, in order to penetrate into the market, will take time. So 2017, 2018, 2019, till that time, Oracle took to penetrate into the market team. And now, if you ask me, Oracle Fusion applications are the market leader in the ERP. Even Oracle crossed SAP market, Microsoft Dynamics market, Workday, PeopleSoft. Oracle is the top ERP since last 2 years as per the market research in the reality team. Why Kumar? Why Oracle Fusion became so successful? We have SAP in the market now. We have Workday in the market now. We have PeopleSoft in the market now. See, Oracle biggest success is their huge customer base. Oracle EBS already it's their own product. They have good number of customers already using their EBS. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, and what Oracle did team, Oracle insisting all their existing customers who using their products to migrate to Fusion because Oracle want to position Fusion applications as the market leader in the ERP area team. So Oracle insisting all their existing customers to move to Fusion. They stopped selling these products. Only support Oracle telling. By 2035, Oracle told all these customers, maximum till 2035 we will support. You have to move to Fusion. So team, that is why many of their existing customers migrated to Oracle Fusion. And also at the same time, Oracle Fusion applications is a one-stop solution for the companies where HCM, finance, supply chain, all products became more stable. That is the big reason many companies today purchasing Oracle Fusion applications and they're using in their day-to-day operations team. That is the reason. The recruitment, because huge number of customer adoption is there. But the talent, the people, resources who having good knowledge or good subject in this domain is lagging in the market. That is the reason team, phenomenal recruitment happening in the market in this domain. You take US market, you take Canada market or European like UK, Germany, Italy, France, or you take Indian market team or Middle East completely occupied by Oracle today. So any parts of the world you go, Oracle Fusion applications become very popular and many companies using it. In India, very well known to us, HDFC Bank, we all know, ICICI Bank, we all know. And in Hyderabad, Arabindo Pharma, Hetero Pharma, many companies in and out which are very popular, known to us, they have been using Oracle Fusion Cloud applications today. To that grassroots penetration happened in the market team. So that is the reason if you learn this technology, the market wise recruitment is phenomenal. Companies giving very good hikes as well because lack of resources, sudden demand increasing team, companies offering 100%, 150% hikes and they are taking. So this is about team Fusion applications evolution path, background of the Fusion application team. Then as I told you, Oracle Fusion application product families. Under Oracle Fusion, different products Oracle offering team. We are learning about HCM, Human Capital Management. We have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud for finance related activities. Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Cloud, SCM, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Procurement Cloud, PPM Cloud for different business areas, different products Oracle offering team. Now, some of you might get a question here, particularly people who joined from US. Kumar, do we have to learn all the products and we have to start our career? Absolutely no. Anyone will choose any one technology as your career. So today we are learning HCM. So you will get a job in that HCM and you will be surviving for next 10, 15 or 20 years in the same domain, not into other, not required team. Any one you have to learn. Among all the other products team, today HCM became very popular in Fusion application. Subject wise, easy to understand, anyone can understand, no domain knowledge is required, and team PeopleSoft was very successful in the market in HRMS area. So when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, all the customers moving to Fusion. That is why team HCM became more popular in the entire Fusion applications. So this is just for your information. What are the different products under Fusion Oracle offering? I covered team. Now let us move to types of companies. See, people who are already in IT industry, you might aware of this one. But considering the other people, particularly freshers, I'm covering this slide. Very important whenever you learning any software application team. It's not only Oracle today. You might look for DevOps, AWS, Azure, anything, full stack, anything team, generative, anything. These three company differences you have to understand. It's a basic knowledge. What are they? Any software technology you learn, three types of companies will be involved in the usability of that product. One will be service provider or the vendor, nothing but company who's selling the product in the market, who own the product team. In our case, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications are owned by whom? Whose applications is this? They are owned by Oracle Corporation team. So Oracle company is service provider or the vendor company. Company who own the product, selling the product in the market. Now, client or customer. Since 1 hour, I started the demo. Frequently, I'm using the word client, customer. Who is called as client? Whenever you interacting with your colleagues, friends, or any family members who working in IT, frequently they will use the word, hey, my client is very tough, yeah, my client is very liberal. We can easily handle them. Client, you will hear. What is client in IT industry? Client or the customer, nothing but company who purchasing the product from the service provider and using in their day-to-day life. For example, Reliance Industries, L&T, Virgin Mobile. Example, we all know Reliance. I kept this one team. So for example, team, today Reliance Industries decided that in order to handle all their HR activities in their companies, they want to buy Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So Reliance will reach to Oracle. Oracle will give some price and they will buy the product team. When Oracle sold the product to Reliance, which is a client or a customer company, application will be delivered with all the functionalities. A blank application with all functionalities. For example, you went to Apple Store today, you bought new iPhone 17, okay, or iPhone 18, whatever the series it is. iPhone 17 you bought today. What you will get, team? Blank phone with all the functionalities you will get. After you coming home, what you will do? You will migrate all your data from your other mobile, whatever you're using prior to iPhone 17, what you purchased today, whatever the other mobile, your current mobile will be there now, because in that you have all your applications, all your contacts, your messages, your calls, your photos, videos, right? you will migrate into the new mobile and you will start using that. But being this ERP application, software applications team, client or the customer, they cannot do by themselves, right? So Reliance or a client, when they buy the product from Oracle, Oracle delivered the product application with all functionalities team. Now Reliance require someone to configure their application according to their business requirement with all their data. So that's the place of consulting companies will come. Now Reliance, what they will do? Reliance reach out to so-called IT companies in the market. Consulting companies are nothing but software companies in the market. Companies who implementing the product according to the client requirement. Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture. So, consulting companies, what team? Companies who implementing the product according to the client requirement. Once you learn this technology, you will be starting your careers in this so-called software companies in the market. So when your company got the projects from the client, you will be deployed for that client project and you will work on the configurations of their applications with all their data. Our 3 months of training will be that only. Once you join the company, what you will do in the real time. Implementation, configuration means what? All that we are going to train you in the practicality team. So this is about types of companies. So in what sort of companies you will be recruited, you understood. And what you have to do, we understood team. Now let us move to Fusion environment releases. Okay. So very important team. Nowhere you will get this knowledge definitely, but very important from the interview point of view. And also when you learning this technology, you should know about this basics and all. That's why I'm covering this one. See, I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced these applications in the market. Correct? So when Oracle introduced these applications in the market team, what is the release version that they came up with, in 2011? R1. R1. The release version team is R1. Since then, the application got evolved. Okay. Now we are in 2026. Today is January 29th. The latest version of the Fusion application is R13. But actually, team, by 2017 end and early 2018 only, Oracle came to the version of R13. But Oracle made R13 as a static version for Fusion applications team. Okay. So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced the application, release 1 is the version that they came up with team. Since then it got evolved and it came with R13. People who purchased the product, companies I mean to say, during release 1 to release 10, during this time, Oracle offered their Fusion application both in on-premise and a cloud deployment options team. But from R11 onwards, Oracle stopped on-premise, only on a cloud-based platform, Oracle providing the Fusion applications. On-premise means what team? During this time, whoever the companies buy the product from Oracle, they used to buy the server also from Oracle and they used to install in their office premises that server and application they used to install in that server team. Then they used to recruit their own database administrator team, network specialist, security admins, the entire security, maintenance, upgradation, everything companies or the clients who purchase it, they used to maintain. But reducing that burden, Oracle completely moved their Fusion applications into cloud-based technology. Cloud-based means what, team? A software that is hosted over the internet. You know how the Fusion applications accessible? Just in the form of this URL, team. So take this URL, just copy paste in your browser, enter. Okay, enter. That's all, team. You'll be able to enter into the Fusion application. Actually, in my Google Chrome, it's already signed in. That's why automatically it's signed in. Actually, we require to log in. So once you keep your URL in your Google Chrome, it will prompt you like this: Oracle Cloud account sign in. So username and password we have to give. In my Chrome, it is already auto saved. So once you pass your user ID and password, team, and if you click on sign in, you will be entering into the Fusion application. Did I installed anywhere this application in my laptop? Did I run any software in this laptop? Any program in this laptop? Just before you, I have taken this URL, I copied in the Google Chrome. It asked me sign in user ID and password. How we logging in our Facebook, Instagram accounts or Gmail account? Same way. This is the Fusion application, main home screen, team. We have different options coming up. What are these? Tomorrow I will tell. This is the main home screen of the Fusion application. Cloud-based deployment is that one, team. A software that is hosted over the internet. This is also one of the biggest success for Oracle. The challenges that companies used to face earlier in the old traditional models, everything became easy today. Everything managing by Oracle. So many companies adopting today Oracle Fusion as their in-house HR ERP applications team. Now, let us talk about their upgradation policy. Like as I told you, every other software team, Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy. What is that, team? Like every other software, Oracle also will have upgradation policy, team. Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy. Means what, Kumar? See, Oracle, in order to give rich experience to their customers, seamless experience to their customers, more trust to build to their customers, Oracle investing a lot in their research and development team. So Oracle improvising day by day as per the customer needs, what they want. They're enhancing the system. So Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. Every time when they upgrade their software, they come up with some new enhancements in every modules. Any bug fixes, any errors customers reported in the previous release, the fixes it will do. Like that, Oracle will upgrade their application every year. Quarterly means every year we have 4 quarters. Oracle named them as alphabet A, B, C, D. Okay. So Jan to March is first quarter in the year. Then April, May, June. Then July, August, September. Then October, November, December. Oracle categorized all the 3 quarters into alphabets A, B, C, D like this thing. Okay. And every year, 4 quarterly upgrades Oracle doing for their application. If you see the latest version as of today, the application version team. So generally after you log in, if you want to check out this login details and all, tomorrow you will get this instance access and all in the group. So if you come to the right side settings and action, if you go to about this application, you can see what is the version of the application team. So it's in 25D. And Kumar, you told it's R30. No, what is this? Yes, the latest version of the Fusion application is R1325D. The latest version is R1325D. So everywhere you can see team. Oracle Application Framework REL 13. Middleware Extension REL 13. Database Compatibility REL 13. Release 1325D. What is this 25D, Kumar? 25 stands for the financial year and the D stands for the quarterly upgrade. Actually, team, we entered 2026. Now, the upgrade should supposed to come, but generally, team, it will take 10-15 days delay in the start of the year every time. So the actual supposed upgrade to be 26A next team. So how the Oracle numbers will give for 25th, 2025, 25A, 25B, then 25C. Every year, four quarterly upgrades, no. So the numbering Oracle will follow like this team. So last year, the release versions were 25A, 25B, 25C, 25D. Now this year team, 26A, 26B, 26C, and 26D. Like that it will be giving. So next in 1 week like that, you will be getting the latest upgrade of this year team. We entered actually, we supposed to get, but slight delay is there in our training environments. We'll be getting that team. So currently it's in the last quarterly upgrade release. 25D means every year 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. So the numbering, it will follow like this. The financial year we are in, followed by the quarterly upgrade. So all 4 quarters Oracle designated as ABCD. How the numbering it will give release 13, 25D, 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the Fusion application. 13 stands for release 13. 25 stands for 2025, the year. 10 stands for, we are in which quarterly upgrade? 25D means last quarter. In last quarter, first month is what? October. October means 11th month only, no? Sorry, 10th month only, no? October means. So 10. 0 is static. Now take a note of this. In next 1 week, we will get the upgrade of this 26A, this quarter team. The format will be like this. R13 26A 11.13.26 in the first quarterly upgrade. The first month is what? January. January means 01. 01.0. Take a note of it. Next 1 week we will get the upgrade team. So this is the version Oracle is going to upgrade. So every year 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. Every time some new cosmetic enhancements Oracle will bring in. Phenomenal changes we cannot expect team. Basic enhancements Oracle will bring. Actually, when we are working in the real-time projects that I will cover in our placement workshops, there will be placement workshops conducted team where I will be teaching you how the real-time implementation will happen. So this is the entire implementation methodology, starting from project management plan, kickoff meeting, then as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, UAT phase, then end user training, go live, hypercare, starting whenever you're working in the real time, how the project will start, how it will end, what are the different phases, what we will do. Because in real time, whenever you're attending the interviews team, I know some of you will manipulate your experiences and you will showcase that already you are working in Oracle HCM Cloud from last 3 years or 4 years like that. During that time, some real-time questions, scenario-based questions you have to experience. Simply interviewer will ask you, can you tell me what are your day-to-day roles and responsibilities? Or once you go to office, what you will do every day? Currently, in which phase your project is in? Or how frequently you will discuss with your client every day? Or what is the mode of communication between you and your client? If person really worked means you know all these things, but you are just bluffing. You are manipulating your experience and you are telling. How come you all know these things, team? You didn't work on really in IT, right? So these all things to cover up. These sessions I'm going to plan. Workshop, placement workshop on real-time implementation, how it will happen. In this, I'll be covering once you join the organization, where you will go, whom you will contact, starting from taking the laptop from the IT department, how the team size will be, project manager means who, team leader means who, how many members will be in the team, how you have to interact with them, how the work will be allocated to you. That all I'm going to cover. During this time, I'm going to explain you the upgradation activities detailedly. In real-time projects, whenever you working team, every quarterly upgrade when Oracle upgrading their application, we have to do some activities in the project. We call them as impact analysis document preparation. Means every upgrade when Oracle bringing, what new features Oracle bringing in the release. Oracle before only will release the document team. So we have to go through that. We have to present it to the client saying these are the features coming in the release. We don't have any impact with them. That we have team. Then we have some pre-upgrade testings, post-upgrade testings. We call them as impact analysis testing. Then we have like a sanitary testings and all team. But that they are too early to understand now. Once we deep dive into our training, I'll tell you what activities we do. Because in interviews, you will get these questions. Tell me every quarterly upgrade, what activities you will do in the project. Gunshot question. So if a person really worked on that, he will tell without any hesitation. But we didn't work on. We are just put that in the resume. You are working in this domain. So to answer all this team, these all realistic things required to you. So during that time, I will cover detailedly. As of now, at this point of time, I want everyone to know what is the release versions, how Oracle will upgrade the application team. That's all. Now, let me introduce to you the most important thing, modules in this technology team. Many of you have this concern. Kumar, what all modules we have in this domain? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? So I won't take much time, maximum next 10-15 minutes, we will close that session today. So please be very concentrated. This is utmost important thing. Let us talk about what are the modules we have in Oracle HCM Cloud. So by this time, we all know our technology name, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So now let us see within that team, what are the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM we have. Number one team, okay, we have the modules like in our Oracle HCM Cloud, the entire application, we have different modules like global HR or core HR, we can call it team. And then we have the module like absence management. Then we have the module like payroll management. Okay. Then we have the module like talent management. In talent management team, we have sub modules, profiles, goal management, performance management, succession management, talent review, like that. Then if you go to other areas, we have compensation and benefits module team. Actually, these both are two different modules. We generally call them together team, compensation and benefits. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have some advanced modules like HCM, Communicate, and Help Desk and Safety, like that team. Very less used, not required also. We have these modules in the system. A part of this, a part of this team, we have other concepts also in the system. Let me list down them as well. What are they? We have something like security administration. This is very important. Everyone should have this clarity. Okay. security administration, we have workflows and approvals. Okay. Then we have sandbox where customizations and personalizations we will do team. Okay. And then we have something like inbound integrations where Oracle given two bulk data uploading tools here. HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader. Okay, like that. Then we have outbound integrations, one concept team where we have reports, BIP reports, okay, or BI publisher reports, OTBI reports. Okay. Then we have HCM extracts like this. And then we have the most important famous past formulas. Okay. In the entire HCM, these are the topics we have team. Now, among them, what comes under functional, what comes under technical team? Huh? Let us understand what comes under functional, what comes under technical. These all modules will come under functional side of the application. Huh? These all modules come under functional side of the application. These comes under technical side. Okay. Here team, I will contradict with many trainers in the market here. What is that? To be frank team, security, workflows, sandbox. These also comes under functional only. But many institutes, even including me, what should I do? I have to follow the market pattern. We are offering these things as part of technical. Why? Because in Fusion system, prior to Oracle Fusion, EBS we have, Oracle's e-business. So some of you today in the call might be coming from that background also. Technical intervention is very high in that tool. Without technical resource, functional person can't do anything in the project. But in Fusion application team, technical scope become minimalized. Functional person can handle the technical aspects also. If you ask me personally, Kumar, what you say? The core technical concepts in Fusion are only these things, team, not anything else. Inbound integrations, outbound integrations. These comes under actually functional only. But as technical curriculum become very less, we are covering these things as part of technical. So we also have another Oracle Fusion technical training stream. In that, these will be covered along with these topics. But these are also part of functional only. Okay. So just for your heads up, I'm telling. So as of now, as per the market, if you see, these are the functional and these are the technical aspects. So core HR module, if you take team, in this module, we configure all our clients, organizations, work structures. Entire employee management will handle in core HR module team from hire to retire. Hiring of an employee, transferring, promotion, demotion, their termination, resignations, everything will handle in global HR or core HR module in the system. Then absence module, if you take, it's a leave management module team. Employee, different types of leaves providing, employees applying them in the system. Entire leave management will handle in this module. Then payroll, salary management module in the system team. So the entire salary processing to the employee, paying the salaries, deducting the taxes, everything will handle in payroll module. Then talent module, we have to conduct the performance appraisals in the system to the employees. Every year employees should be conducted with performance appraisals, right? Managers will give the ratings, then promotions, demotions, salary hikes. In talent management module, we will handle that. Then compensation module, a part of salary, anything that company need to pay to the employee, like company want to pay bonus to the employee, company want to pay overtime allowance to the employee, night shift allowance to the employee, or company want to allocate some shares or stocks to the employees. Compensation module, we will handle all of them. Then benefits module we have. In the countries like United States, many people will, employees need to be enrolled with several insurance plans team, medical insurances, dental insurances, health insurances. So company only will deduct from employee salary and they will pay the premiums to them. So benefits module we have for that things to handle. Then OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. See, today, everywhere, attendance tracking is very important in every company. Biometric punch in, punch outs will be there in the entrance of the office when you enter, or card swipe in, swipe out. Entire employee attendance will capture in OTL module. From there, it will send to payroll for that month. Then salary will process accordingly as per the calculation we maintain here. Then we have Oracle Learning Cloud, OLC. Today, many of you might be personally experienced team. Whenever you join any company, companies will ask you to complete some mandatory trainings. They will give some courses in the portal you have to watch. They will conduct the exam. They will release the certificates and all team. OLC module we have for that purpose. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay. For what we have this team, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Generally, in every company, HRs in order to hire the employees, they will first do the advertisements in job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn and all. Next, they will download the applicants. They will schedule the interview. They will conduct the interview. Selection will happen. Releasing the offer letters. Onboarding the employee. Entire employee onboarding will handled in ORC module team. Then HCM Communicate we have. This is an internal ticketing tool. Among all the employees, any communication that to be set up by the client, something like how we have internal messengers like that team within Fusion system, because it's an employee portal ultimately for all the employees in the client organization when they use it. Internal ticketing tool this is. Then we have security administration module team. Today, when I log in into the system, I logged in with user ID. So for all employees in the client, whenever HR hiring them, all employees should be given with user account access and all. So security module, we will deal with user account creation, security restrictions, who can access what data, that all we will see here team. Then we have approvals module. Like in every module here, different transactions you can trigger for an approval. Your client might be asking you, Kumar, whenever an employee apply the leave, it should go to concerned manager for approval, Kumar. Or whenever HR hire an employee, it should go to concerned manager for approval. So the entire approvals of all these modules we will handle here. Then we have customization and personalization team. So here my client telling, Kumar, please keep my logo here. Or this background white color theme, please change. I want it in blue color. Or these icons, I want it different color coding. Or please rename this style. Or within any screen, any page level customization client asking team, we have sandbox concept in the system. Then we have, just I'm giving you touch-ups, the high level intro about each concept team. Once we get into detailedly, I'm going to train you at the expert level all these things. Then we have inbound integrations, like any bulk data that you want to upload into the system in any of these modules team. Oracle given two data migration tools, HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader, HDL and SDL. Then outbound, whenever client using the system, they want to extract some reports team. Today my client asking, Kumar, in the month of January, how many employees hired in Hyderabad location? Can you please give me the report? Or Kumar, in the last 3 months, how many employees applied sick leave? Can you please give me the report? So from any module, any data, client might have to validate team. For that matter, three reporting tools Oracle given in the system: BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Then we have the most important, my own favorite, fast formulas team. Across the modules, absence, payroll, compensation, several calculations, several validations in order to maintain Oracle given one of the concepts called fast formula. So with this fast formula team, we will write the logics or validations in the system. In and out in the entire Fusion HCM cloud applications. These are the modules or the topics we have team. Now, Kumar, anywhere, any technical intervention is there, any languages is there? As I told you, absolutely no. Except in this BI reports. We have one topic here in outbound team. Only in BI reports, you require SQL knowledge. That also not that expert level, basic. If you don't know, fair enough, ignore it. Don't now look for the trainings of SQL and all. We will ignore this topic in the resume because no one will have knowledge in all the modules or subject areas team. Only 2 3 modules or 4 modules from functional, 2 3 modules from technical you have to learn. So BIP reports you can keep it excluded in your resume too. So with that, it's a completely zero coding team. Now, as part of this training, what you are going to cover, Kumar? I'm going to cover, this is going to be a techno functional training. It's going to be a techno-functional training on HCM. That is what our training is. We cover total 10 modules team here. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, comp. From here we will cover team. Okay. And also technical side, these all aspects we will cover. Security, workflows, sandbox, inbound, outbound, past formula. Okay, so these topics will be covered as part of our training. Why, Kumar? We have to learn both the sides of the application because my cousin told me learn only functional from Kumar or only technical you learn sufficient. No, if we have to talk about how the current recruitment in the market happening, roles in Oracle Fusion HCM, yes, you might have a doubt. Can't we learn only functional or only technical? Till today, the recruitment happening team separately for functional consultants, technical consultants, and team the most demanded cakewalk techno functional consultants. Okay, so if you learn only functional team, you can drop your resume as a functional consultant. If you learn only technical, you will drop it as a technical. But the most demanded in the market is techno functional. Earlier I used to also cover only functional and only technical separate batches team, right? But today market is not like that. Rather than taking two people, one person who knows both will be an added advantage to the company. See, you want to recruit a maid in your home. What you will expect from that particular maid? She should know cooking, she should know cleaning, she should know washing, multiple skills. So don't think that Kumar, you are comparing our consulting jobs with maid in the house. Just for your understanding purpose, I'm telling. Same way IT companies also. Why should they recruit two people? Two salaries, why should they pay? If one person have both the knowledge, that's the reason team. Market recruiting mainly techno-functional consultants today. Okay. In the project also, if you ask me team, if 10 resources are working in the project, 6 to 7 resources will be on the functional side. 2 to 3 resources will be only technical side. If anyone suggested you learn only technical in Fusion, then you are in the wrong suggestion team. Because in a project, if you see the 10 people weightage, functional will be more, technical will be less. Because in Fusion system, technical scope is very minimal. Functional person only can handle. So when you drop the resume in the Naukri, three people will take example. One person dropped as functional, one person dropped as technical, one person dropped as techno-functional. In the Naukri, when HR's shortlisting the profile, first preference will go to this person. After this, only functional and then technical people will be called for the interview. So for you also, techno functional is going to be your course and your learning path also. And you drop the resume for this profile only. Now team, people have some misunderstanding about the concepts of AI. But before that, let me cover these things, team. Why anyone should choose Oracle Fusion in 2026? As I told you, today Oracle Fusion applications became the market leader. It crossed Microsoft, SAP, or Infor, Epicor, all the other ERP applications in the market. As per the Gartner Quadrant Research Report, so you can Google it, everyone will get this thing. Gartner Quadrant means Gartner is a company based out in US. It's a IT research consulting firm. What this company will do means it will do research on different IT products in the market in terms of customer friendliness, in terms of customer adaptiveness, in terms of customer satisfaction, in terms of technology that they included in that application. Gartner will do the research team, and every year it will publish their quadrant research reports into the open world. As per this Gartner report, last 3 years, if you see, continuously Oracle Fusion applications stood top in the market. So, being in that technologies, the kind of opportunities you will have also will be very high. Definitely, it's not about only US. Across every country today, Oracle Fusion applications are using by many companies. From a small startup company to the mid-level to the top MNCs, every company doing projects in this technology. People have this doubt also. Kumar, we heard that Oracle is a very big brand. Only in top MNCs like Deloitte, Capgemini, Cognizant, the recruitment will happen. Absolutely, it's not correct. I'll tell you, team, a small companies, startup companies situated in KPHP, Kukatpalli also having some projects. Because in Manjiramal, we have a company, one of my friends' company. It's not that big company, just 20-25 people were there. They're doing good projects in Oracle system. I mean to say why I'm quoting this example is it's not small or big. Today, Oracle Fusion application projects are like that in the market. From startup to mid-level to MNCs, every company doing projects because that sort of customers using this product, that sort of implementation support is needed, team. So if you are going to choose this as your career in 2026, in terms of recruitment demand, in terms of salaries, if you see, freshers offered with a range of 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs LPA team, experienced with 4 to 5 years in this domain, companies offering 15 to 25 LPA, experienced people with 5 to 10 years in this domain, 25 to 50 LPA companies offering. These are not rough, exaggerate figures. These are the practical live testimonials. If you could follow our YouTube or Instagram team, daily we've been posting several job success stories here. So today we have posted one success story by name Divya from our last batch. Seranion is a UK-based consulting firm. They recruited Divya as a fresher with 4.5 lakhs LPA. And last month, I visited one of the college in Vijayawada, VVIT University. Why I went there means they called me to train their students who sitting for the placements, the fourth year students. A company called MPC Cloud Computing, which is based out in Hyderabad and they have in US Bangalore offices team. They are recruiting the freshers from the colleges in this domain. So I went there to present a seminar on this technology and I trained their students, whoever sitting for the placements. They recruited almost 14 students from that batch as a freshers with a package of 9 lakhs in that company. So why I am telling is people with relevant knowledge, always companies are ready to recruit team. So even freshers have very good recruitment happening in the market. So these packages are average packages, I am telling you. So that kind of potential we have in this domain. And the best part with this technology is, team, if you see the career graph, no other technologies in the market will have this level of career growth, team. As a fresher today, you will be hired with your designation as associate or analyst. Your promotion will move you to consultant, senior consultant, principal consultant, project manager, delivery lead, delivery manager, IT director, CEO, and so on. If you are capable, you can go till the vice president or president level. Why, team? Now immediately people will tell, who will go till that extent? My expertise will stop me here, only senior consultant. That's okay. That's your perception, team. But whether market is ready to give you the promotion to that extent or not is what the matter here. Every technology will not have, okay, this kind of potentiality. If you learn a DevOps tool, or if you learn any full stack or Java, anything, where you will end up, maximum you will go till the project manager level, or maximum delivery lead, you end up your career. In next 10-15 years, I am talking. But today in the market, any company's top leaders, if you see, their backgrounds will be from ERP applications. Not necessarily Oracle HCM, I'm talking. Any ERP applications, only their background will be team. So your career graph for next 10-15 years or 20 years, team, will be this one. Till this extent, if you are really proven in the organization, you can go till this extent. And moreover, team, many people will have this problem also in mind. Kumar, IT means volatility. No other industry will have this issue. Pharma, very stable. Real estate or any other domains, our jobs will be at least stable, though the packages are not that attractive. But IT industry is more fluctuating. If some decision happened in some parts of the world, the impact will be in India. Here, the layoffs company will start, right? And you might be heard recently in the news everywhere. Uh, Capgemini or Cognizant laid off 10,000, TCS laid off 8,000 employees, even Oracle laid off some employees in 10,000 or something in US, like that. See, every technology might have an impact with this recessions and all. But any ERP application you take in the market, team, these are recession-free technologies. Because, team, these are the applications companies will use in their day-to-day operations. Any recession might hit the company, but if it is from 10,000 employees, they might come to 5,000 employees, but they can't stop the operations for them, right? They require an application. So these technologies are used in the day-to-day business activities. That is the reason, team, we never get impact with any recessions, anything, until and unless companies feel that you are a burden, you are a non-performing asset to them, you are not technically good at the subject, their projects are impacting because of your lack of skill set, they might keep you in bench. Or else companies laying off in this technology, we have never seen in the domain, in this domain, team. And moreover, long lasting career you will have in this technology. Any application you take, every 2 months, every 3 months, or sorry, every 2 years, 3 years, you have to upgrade yourself, or else you will be outdated, team. Or other advanced tools might be coming up. If you have to learn DevOps, you have to learn several tools like Fight and other languages, some other queries you have to learn. But, team, ERP applications will have a very long shelf life. Companies will invest lots of money to purchase this product. Just like that, in 1 year, 2 years, they can't shift. At least 10, 15 years in the market, you are going to be there. So if you start your career in 2026 in this domain, mark my words, at least the next 10, 15 years, you will be in the same technology progressing with this ladder. Okay, long shelf life you have because we can see the live examples currently having SAP is there, Oracle e-business suite is there, PeopleSoft is there. They are from last 30, 40 years. Still people are working in that. Our generation, one generation previous to us, okay, our uncles, aunts who did their educations in 2000s or 1990s, who went to US, everyone majorly will work on these ERPs only, either in SAP, EBS, PeopleSoft, like that. Still today they are working. So what I'm trying to tell is long lasting career you have in this domain team. And the very next important thing, everywhere today we are seeing, straight from switching on the TV, YouTube, everywhere AI, 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 the most buzzword that we are hearing, straight from politician to the business people or anyone today. If two people are sitting together having a snack, they start chatting about AI. So will AI have any impact in this domain? Will AI replace Oracle Fusion HCM consultant jobs? Absolutely a big no. Already AI has been introduced. It's been 3 years we are using AI bots in Oracle Fusion. The best part with this technology team is here we are not writing any program or any code that which AI can give that can replace our jobs. Here we are going to work on the solutioning to the client. Every client to client, the requirement will be different. So human involvement, human decision to manipulate that solution in the system is very much needed, team. So AI we are using in Oracle HCM for the betterment of the usage of the application. How fastly, how betterly we can use the application, we are using the help of AI in it. But replacing a consultant job with AI in this domain, not even in Oracle Fusion, it might be other ERPs also. SAP you take, PeopleSoft you take, Workday you take, definitely no impact of AI in this domain will be there. That is something I can tell very strongly. So this is about AI concept team. Now let me move to the course details team. So today we have demo. From tomorrow, the regular batch will start. The duration of the program will be for 3 months. Monday to Friday, 7 to 8 p.m. Today is demo. I am really sorry to keep everyone wait. Every day 7 to 8 only the sessions will be. Tomorrow sharp 7 o'clock session will start. By 8 I will conclude team. Monday to Friday 7 to 8 p.m. 3 months training on techno functional you will be getting. These are the modules that what I highlighted will be covered as part of this training program. And along with this training program team, you will be getting lifetime access to the recordings. Means what? Today also session is recording. Every day sessions will be recorded and will be given to you in the portal. So once after you enrolling to the program, you will be getting our learning portal access team. Once you log in to triotechsoftwaretrainings.com, if you click on this live classes login, your user ID and password will be given over the email we will share tonight. You can click on login. Here, if you go to your enrolled courses in the dashboard, you can see your course here team. If you click on it, all the sessions every day you will be getting. Okay, you will be getting here. So everyday sessions will post in the course. So you can watch the session every day after the class. If you miss the session any day, no need to worry. You will have the backup with you. So today, once we share this learning portal access, you can reset your password team. This will be for lifetime. But one important thing I want to be clear with everyone is we have an IP tracking. One system login it will work at a time. So when you are enrolling to the program, please confirm with the admin team. They will give the IP access to your team. One system access. If you are logging in from multiple devices, it won't allow. If you want, let us know. We will enable that device also. You can able to access that, because we've been seeing some malpractices are happening where some people uh, selling our courses without our knowledge. To restrict that, we given the IP tracking in the websites. Next team, along with that learning portal, Oracle Fusion application server access for practicing you will get for 5 months. Stable server access you will get in many places in the market. You might get the demo instances, means every 2 days, every 3 days data will refresh. Again, you have to restart your configurations from day one. But we have official partnered environment. 5 months, the data will not be refreshed. You will be getting the private server to you along with demos. And for every module, the real-time project assignments we will be providing team. So after the enrollment, you will be getting this drive folder access to every one of your team. So here, every module wise, core HR, compensation, absence, payroll, then fast formula, outbound, security, talent. For every module, we have folders. If you go into that team, we have our own customized materials. So this is our own custom material prepared for core HR module. Every class that I will conduct, you don't need to write any notes separately. That is documented here with screenshots and navigations in our easy understanding of our language team, in our day-to-day English. So we maintain the materials as well. So see like this, if someone not attending the live class also, you can follow this document to complete the module preparation. Step by step with navigation, screenshot, manuals are available team. Along with that, assignments for every module. So this is the assignment for core HR module team. So for every module, we will give you the requirements to you and we will ask you to configure in the system. So in this drive folder, you will get the materials for every topic, PPTs, assignments, and also from placement point of view team. Here, if you could see, our team, we have a dedicated placement team, placement officer in TrioTech, who will help out in your interview preparations, starting from resume preparation to you. We will conduct some sessions on resume preparation, how to prepare a fresher resume or an experienced resume, ATS friendly resume, how to create team. First, we will conduct some sessions on that, and then we will give you the sample resumes to you. If you come to this materials folder, sample resumes will be available. By using that, once you prepare the draft version and you share with our placement team, they will guide you for the further updates and all, and they will help you out with the resume preparation. And for every module, we have a very detailed interview question and answers material as well, team. So if you could see here, this is for core HR module. It's not about only question with answers. Almost all modules together, we have 750 plus question and answers repository. In this, fresher questions are there, scenario based questions are there, real time interview questions, because this repository is not something I prepared out of my own knowledge. Every student, because many of the students every day will come to office in Hyderabad in Triotech and they will practice. When they attending the interviews, I used to ask them to record the every interview. Some of the sessions I uploaded in the YouTube channel also, the real time question and answers discussion and all team. I prepared this repository from that real-time interview questions team. For every module, this is for core HR, this is for absence module team, then this is for HDL and spreadsheet, this is for payroll module, this is for technical modules, and we also have company-wise interview questions repository also. If you're attending the KPMG interview, how the questions will come in that, or if you're attending TCS interview, how the questions will come. These all are the real-time questions team. Avalon software, how you will get. I can tell you, if these all question and answers, if you thoroughly prepare along with my training, 70% of your interview you can clear. Definitely. Maximum repository out of my experience in this domain, I collected in that in that interview questions. One of the student recent success story we posted team. I don't know how many of you have listened to this one 2 days back. 27 LPA the person got. I'm not telling everyone will get that package, but this person purely given his testimonial saying that whatever the interview question and answers repository that we given, 60 to 70% of his interview questions repetitively came for that. So an audio has been placed in the YouTube or Instagram. You can happily go and listen that team. So this is not something one person. From many people, we have the testimonials. The only thing is whether you are rightly using the materials that we are providing is the matter here. So for every module, whatever I have shown you the PDF stream, that also you will get as part of your materials access here, interview questions. Then real-time project documents. In real time, whenever you are doing the project, at every phase, we have RD 50, BP 80, CV 10, TE 40, DO 70, BR 100. How the real-time documents looks like. I'll explain each and everything, and the sample documents also you will be provided team. So this is for absence module requirement gathering questionnaire template, core HR module requirement gathering from the client template. This is solution designing template. So these real-time documents you will be getting access team, right? And as part of the placement preparation team, resume preparation, interview question and answers. Every Saturday, we conduct the mock interviews in TrioTech office in Hyderabad between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. team. So you can book your slot and you can give your mock interviews. If you are not from Hyderabad also, fine. You can book a Zoom call and you can schedule the interview with the placement officers. And then we also have the interview referral program. Every time, today after the enrollment team, we will be adding you into the WhatsApp community for your batch. Every interview requirement that we will post in the community. So you can able to get your requirements there and you can apply from our side. And daily Q&A support will be there Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in Indian time zone. Every day in that class, you can have a discussion with me. Today is a demo. We restricted mics, but from tomorrow it will be open. Daily in the class or after the class, you can have a Q&A with me. But beyond that, while you are practicing any questions, anything you have, you can drop a message in our WhatsApp support team. So Monday to Friday, 10 to 6 p.m. team will be available. This support comprises of the trainers only, not the admin people. Like me, my other colleagues who is working in HCM will be there. So you can get your queries real-time addressed team. One-to-one doubts assistance also will be there. So here you can see some of the job postings how we will do in your community. Like this, we will share your requirements team. And you can also see few of our partnered companies like the recruitment companies where our students got placed. Every month, companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources team. So recently, Mastech recruited our candidates. Then MPC Cloud recruited our candidates. DriveStream from Chennai, they recruited our candidates. Then Apps Associate from Hyderabad, they recruited. They recruited 8 of our freshers as an interns, and now they converted them within 2 months to full time with 8 lakhs package team in Apps Associate. Then we have App IT Solutions, Avalon Software, B Trians. These all are the some of the companies who directly recruiting the candidates from TrioTech every time. And you can also see our testimonials in the Google and few of the placement success stories I kept here for your reference purpose. And these are our students who got placed in different companies in the market today team. So Sai in Cognizant, Pooja in Accenture, Balaji, then Alpha. Sudipta. So these people testimonials also you can see in the YouTube channel directly, team. And some of the placement success stories that we placed here you can check out. So these are some of the references for you, team. You can also find our placement success stories in our YouTube channel also. Every day we will upload the placement stories here. In the Instagram separately we mentioned a folder as well where you can check out our placements team. So all the placements of the students you can check out who happily shared back their messages with us team. See, since many weeks, all these are the different students testimonials you can see. So now coming to the course fee part. So the actual course fee will be 28,000 plus GST, which will be 33,040 rupees team. That is the general course fee. But after discount, as part of this new year and the festival, for last batch we given and we are continuing that for this also, as we are in January only. For today, we have an early bird offer that is 25,999 team. So along with that, you are also getting some additional benefits here. What are they? People who enrolling with this early bird offer registration today, you will be getting 2 months of additional server access. Here we told 5 months. People enrolling with this offer will get 2 months additional server access worth 8,000 rupees free in this domain, in this offer team. So total server access will round up to 7 months. And also we provide free Oracle certification dumps. Today I didn't got the time to cover. Tomorrow I will cover this Oracle certification process. Ready-madely, whoever want to write the certification exam, the question and answers are readily available with us. We call them as a dumps. That worth 5,000 rupees you will be getting free as part of this registration team. So total worth of 13,000 rupees you will be additionally benefiting with this early bird registration. And also real-time project templates. I told you we have one concept here called HDL. So here we have to build some some custom templates for the data loading and all. So the ready-made built-in templates for HDL you will be getting, and also real-time project fast formula template. So I told you fast formula, one concept is there. Ready-made built-in templates for fast formula. So here if you go team, almost for more than 100 plus real-time project requirements, directly you can use this formula and you can paste it in your system. We developed this formulas team. From our projects what we have worked on, all this ready-made fast formula template also you will be getting as part of this early bird registration. So this course fee, whatever the offer, will be strictly valid for today night. From tomorrow, the price will be revised to 28,000 team. So I request everyone to complete your registration as soon as possible. Our admin team get in touch with you already in the WhatsApp, in the Zoom chat. They are dropping the payment registration link as well. You can confirm the registration. Two things will happen after the registration team. One, you will get learning portal access via email. This learning portal access. Number two, you will be added into the new WhatsApp community. These two things will happen after your enrollment team. From tomorrow, new meeting link will be shared for the registered participants. Tomorrow evening 7 o'clock, our regular classes will start team. So I request everyone, please complete your registration by clicking the link in the chat button that team provided to you. Right? Now let me go to the Q&A for today. So any questions with respective to the today's topic we discussed? You can unmute and you can ask me. The forum is open. Amulya,
Hi.
please.
Yeah, hi Kumar. So I have attended the session for the January starting batch, which was
Mm-hmm.
I think January 6th or 7th. But
Mm-hmm.
to some emergency, I could not enroll then. But the problem is that I'm currently working, Kumar, and I am working the EMEA shift. So my shift is from
Okay.
2:30 to
Okay.
11:30.
European shift you are into. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So, I actually want to attend the morning classes only.
Morning it will take time, Amulya, but don't worry. See, every day 7 to 8 one session completes. By 9 o'clock session will upload in the portal. At your
Mm-hmm.
convenient time, you watch it and you connect back with me. If still that is a problem, happily next
Mm-hmm.
month you can continue in the upcoming batch. But the
How
timing is
how
yet to
mu
be confirmed.
how much time will it
It will take
approximately
a
take
month.
the next one
Month.
month from
Yes.
now? Okay,
Yes.
but I
Every
think
month
the
we have
price
one
will
month.
be revised by then, right?
Definitely. Batch to batch there will be difference. That you can
Mhm.
check with the admin. That's not an issue. Okay.
Okay, I think I'll get back to the admin
No
on this.
problem. No problem.
Okay,
No issue.
thank you, Kumar. Yeah.
Yes,
Hi,
hi.
Kumar,
Hi,
Arun.
Kumar.
Hi. Who is that? Tanushri.
Yeah, hi,
Tanushri.
Kumar.
Hi,
Thanks
Tanushri,
for
please.
the information. So currently I'm working as an end user for Oracle SCM. Okay.
Okay.
So I just wanted to know, like, is there any certification needed for, to get a job in this
See,
field,
generally,
like techno-functional?
certification is not a mandatory thing. I
Okay.
supposed to cover today, but time is already, like we extended. Tomorrow I plan for that. Certification is not a mandatory criteria in this technology, unlike SAP or Workday. But the only thing is, you showcase that in your resume because you're already working as an end user to this domain. That itself is an added advantage to you. But you have to tell that you also have the knowledge on the implementation side. Now you want to transition your career into implementation. That is sufficient. Certification out of your pocket, spending the amount, I don't suggest. Once you join the organization, project requirement base, your company will bear the cost and they will ask you to do. That time you plan.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the information.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi,
hi
Kumar. Hi,
Kumar.
Kumar. Arun.
Hi
Hi.
Kumar. I'm Ramesh.
Hello.
Yes,
Uh,
Hi.
uh,
Ramesh.
Yeah,
Carry
yeah,
on, carry on.
Yeah,
yeah,
Ramesh,
Kumar.
please
Sorry to
continue.
interrupt. Yeah, sorry to interrupt you. Kumar, as you said that the formula based template. So when I saw that one, you said that one coding is not there. When I saw that formula template, some codings are there. If
It's not a
condition and like.
coding, it's a combination
Uh,
of English and mathematical statements. It's not deep coding concept.
mhm.
It's
Because
not a coding concept.
earlier I was into Power BI, so there also
Mhm.
DAX queries will be there. So DAX queries will be
See,
there. It is similar to that only. I have
we
when I
can't
saw this.
say that it is a core SQL, it is a core PLSQL. It is something
Okay,
intermediate between them. So it's a
okay,
combination to work out. So we can't name it as a coding or any language. And moreover, that is one of the component, not the entire system, right?
okay. One of the component, not entire system.
And
It
not
can be
entire
used
system.
in somewhere. Yeah,
Somewhere,
because
that's
I'm
it.
having. Yeah, because I'll tomorrow I'll connect with you personally, Kumar, because I have
Mm.
18 years of IT experience, which into some separate domains of reporting tools. So I want
Mhm.
to shift this one for a
No problem,
suitable,
Ramesh.
stable
Mm.
career. So that's what tomorrow I'll connect with you after 10 or something. I'll call to
Mhm.
your admin center. I'll talk to
No,
you. Just give me 5 minutes only, please,
sure,
so
no
that I
problem.
can.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Next
Thank you.
question.
Hi
Hi.
Kumar. This is Prasad.
Hi, Prasad.
Hi Kumar. I am an Oracle Apps DBA working in a software company MNC. I'm
Mhm.
an, with 18 years of experience. Okay,
So,
my
so
age
everyone
is
in the call today having 18 years experience, huh? Okay,
yeah,
please see.
and I am 56 and of years I am.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
I want to learn and I need to, due to my personal reasons, I need to
Mhm.
do job for some more years.
No
So
problem,
is it
Prasad.
okay for
Def
me learning? I want to learn HCM, Fusional HCM, and I want
Definitely,
to.
I
Yeah,
got your point. See,
yeah, yeah.
definitely, this technology is open to recruit the candidates at any age. But the only thing
Okay,
companies look at for you people is relevant experience because you are holding a very rich experience. Might be Ramesh or you, might be he might be from some Power BI or something. You might be into DB. Only thing you people have to do is after the training, try to update the resume saying something like last 4 to 5 years, you are already working in Oracle HCM Cloud in your company. Now you are
Yeah, sure.
transitioning to new company. That's how you have to
Yes,
build
yes.
up, or you have to add the flavor of HCM in your
Yeah,
resume.
yeah, sure, sure. But
Yeah.
just age only, I'm asking
No,
you.
that
For
is
that
not a
one only, I
problem.
have. Okay, then.
See,
Sure.
already you are
Thank
into
you.
IT, you are still working.
Yes, yes.
So whether it
Yes,
is
yes.
a Oracle Fusion or DBA doesn't matter.
Got it. Okay, then.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello,
Hey,
See you
Kumar,
hi,
later.
this is
hi,
Arun here.
hello, hi,
I'll
Kumar.
come. Yeah, yeah, I'll go
Hi,
to
Kumar.
the lady 1 second. I think she's asking from long time. Who is Aruna? Or who is it?
No,
This is
this is
Arun.
Shraddha.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
please
this
tell
is
me.
Shraddha. Yeah.
Yeah, please,
Uh,
Shraddha.
Kumar, actually, I have two questions. One is
Mm-hmm.
that I'm fresher actually. I'm carrying
Mm-hmm.
3 years of experience in HR domain.
Mm-hmm.
So for a career growth, I choose to do a
Okay.
HCM.
Okay.
So while applying for HCM, does they count
Mm.
my experience as a 3 years, or
Mm.
they will count me as a fresher?
See, generally HR people, they will count you as a fresher only. But what
Oh.
HR people generally will tell is, so off the record I'm telling, those session
Mm-hmm.
is recording, I have to upload in YouTube, but fine, let me tell you. HR people, what usually will tell, or any other domain people, what they will tell is, anyhow, you are working in HR, you might be
Mm-hmm.
using some or the other HR tool in your organization currently as an end user,
Yes.
correct? In your day-to-day
Yes.
activities. So
Yes. Yes.
what HR people will tell is in their current organization, Oracle Fusion HCM, the company is using, and they've been using as an end user to that. They're working as an end user to that from the last 2 years or 3 years. Now they
Mm-hmm.
want to move to the implementation side. Rather than saying that I don't know anything, just I learned from institute and I dropping the resume. If you could add some flavor of Oracle HCM into your resume, either it is an end user or something, it would be a preferable thing for the interviewers to shortlist. That is general pattern that HR people or the recruiters or US staffing people will tell the story in the interviews. That you have to
Okay.
plan. You can discuss with the placement officer during that time. They will guide you, no problem.
Okay. And my second question is, I have my older sister. Okay,
Mhm.
and she has done in pharmacy, but after the marriage, she took a gap because babies and all. Now she want
Mhm.
to restart her career.
You can restart as a
Does
fresher, no problem in that. Companies will
oh,
consider as a fresher, no issue.
okay, so this course will help her.
Definitely. That you can discuss offline. Admin will guide you because that is case to case difference, no? Team will assist, not in the open
Oh,
platform. Yeah.
okay,
Kum-
okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Kumar.
Next
Hi, Kumar,
question.
this is
Hi.
Arun here.
Hello.
Yes,
Hi.
Arun.
Yeah, Kumar, I just have a question. Like, you said you will be giving an access to only a single server.
Not single
Uh,
server, single device, but you can
Single
increase
device. Yeah,
that
that
by
is,
informing to the
yeah.
team.
Okay, that is what it is. Sometimes I'll be using a
And that
laptop
is
and
doable.
another mobile.
See,
Yeah.
the only thing is what we have to do, Arun. Nowadays, the
Uh,
market is very problematic.
no, no,
People
I
are
can
misusing
completely
the content.
understand your
Yeah.
thing, but because, sometimes I'll be traveling to my office and that time, I
No
cannot open my
problem. That you
laptop and listen
inform
to
to the
the,
admin, they will enable that other access. You can access that. No problem.
yeah. Thank you so
Next
much. That's
Kumar,
all.
question,
Yeah,
please.
I
Thank
just
Kumar Vijay this side.
you. Yeah. Neera, someone please tell me. Yeah. Vijay Shri, yeah.
Yeah. Kumar, I'm working in a consultancy as a recruiter. So
Mm-hmm.
if I choose course, how can I showcase
Same,
these
whatever
experience
the
in my resume?
previous person that I told you.
Uh-huh.
Showcase the end user experience of Oracle Fusion HCM and you apply.
Okay, but that is a consultancy actually.
No
And
problem. That doesn't matter. See, in today world is very big. No one knows which technology is being used in which company. Ultimately, if it is a big, high branded company only, they might reveal which technology internal they're using. But many companies won't reveal their internal usage, right? You can tell that. How strongly we are presenting to the HR is what matters here. Okay. Next question, team.
got it. Yeah.
Hi, Kumar. Actually, I need one help.
Subhajit.
I just want to. Yes, Subhajit. Actually, I used to have almost 4+ years of experience in sales and IT domain. And
Uh-huh.
from last 1 year, actually, I left my job due to some my personal reason.
Okay.
And
Okay.
now I'm planning to start again. So
Mhm.
is it helpful for me to choose this
Definitely
course?
you can move. Definitely you can move. That's not at all an issue. You're
Okay.
not having a long break, right? It's a kind
Yes.
of
Yes.
manageable break only. You have up to 1 year or 2 years. Companies won't have any issue. But your
Okay.
resume should talk your skill set. That is what the main
Okay.
criteria here. If your
Uh,
skill set is good enough in this domain, companies do recruit you. That's not an issue.
And one more thing is that actually, in my last 4 to 4.5 years, I used to work for third party companies. So my client was same, but I used to change as per the client's requirement. My payroll companies are changed. So in my PF history is almost 8 to 9
So
companies
it's
is
too great
there.
that you discuss offline because I can't give the
Yeah.
solution for you. First, team has to check out your PF issues and all. You check out
Okay.
offline with the admin team. They will guide you. No worries. Okay. Now let
Okay.
me go to some questions in the chat board here. People posted something in the chat here. Let me walk through. Sai Charan. Hi sir, I completed my bachelor's in 2023. I had no experience till now. I'm searching. Definitely Sai Charan. That 3 years experience you can show and you can apply. That is doable. Absolutely. And Kafil Ahmad. What about 6789? See, in this training with these components only 3 months is a very tight line for me to cover. We can't include all the things in the same training, so these we are not covering. And moreover, in the real time, everyone will not work on all the modules. Even 5 we are covering, but in reality 3 to 4 maximum if you learn also sufficient. So we are not covering this as part of this training program. Gunashree. Hi Kumar, I have an experience of 2 years working on data migration. Whenever I see the job description, it said it's not like that. See, whenever you look at in the resume, every company requires 4 years, 5 years of experience. But if you update your resume and if you upload with your 2 years or 2.5 years, you will get a call schedule. Forget about the experience they are describing in the job description in the resume, because every company want experienced people only. But from where the people will come? So they do know that. They will showcase that. But when you apply, the call will get scheduled. Absolutely no doubt in that. And then Oppo CH. Kumar, good evening, sir. When will be the demo for remaining products? Means you are asking about finance or supply chain. Finance we recently started. Last 3 days we had demos. And next we have in pipeline that you can check with admin. Priya. Hi Kumar, thank you for the demo session. I have a query regarding this. As you have mentioned, Oracle HCM is software tool. And if someone wanted to join as a fresher, will no be HR. No, you will not be joining as a domain HR or a recruiter or anything. Once you learn this technology, you will start your career in IT companies. This technology is a HR related application, as I told you. So you will never be part of HR. You have to move because the regular traditional HR jobs will not have a long career. I mean to say long career in the sense in terms of monetary wise, salaries wise, increments wise, they will get saturated once you get into one level. So people who are from HR backgrounds, they are looking to move into this. Why you are planning to go as a HR now? Then Vamshi, while searching, there are other courses CM compared. See, as I told you already, currently in the market, compared to finance or supply chain, Oracle Fusion HCM is doing more business in terms of Oracle selling the product. Why? Because all the PeopleSoft customers are migrating to Oracle Fusion. PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS area only. So many customers who buying the product, they are using Oracle HCM by default. On top of that, finance, supply chain, they will use in Oracle or they will use some third party, doesn't differs. So as of today, if you see HCM comes top in the list, then finance, then supply chain. Then Tehsin. Sorry, sir, I'm dropping. I have to pick my daughter. I'm from London, UK. Okay, sure, Tehsin, no problem. Team will share the access. I think she completed the payment. Okay. Funny Kumar. Okay, good evening. Okay, right. What is the course will for gap? Yes, for gap students, it will be right rhythm Manchandan. Sir, hope you're doing great. I'm currently pursuing MBA in HR. I want to ask for additional specialization. Best complement HR would be better. If you are in MBA, you have to choose your subject. Choose that HR subject. Definitely, it will be an added advantage to you. Their theory you will learn, here practicality you will get. And then Naveen. Hi Kumar, how many hours? See, labs we don't have any limit. The application access will be given to you for 7 months, 24 by 7. At any point of time, in the weekends, nights, anytime you can practice. There is no specific time. And hi Kumar, will the process be automated in future? Nothing. Automated means AI only. There is no automation, because it's not a testing or anything to automate. Every client will have a different requirement, different scenarios to configure. Without a human involvement, we can't automate any process in this. So this is about today's demo team. So as I mentioned, please complete the registration tonight. This offer will be valid strictly for today with the additional benefits. From tomorrow, the price will be 28 plus GST, and tomorrow 7 p.m. the class will start. I request everyone be on time, sharp 7 o'clock to the call. We will close by 18. So I request again our admin team sharing the link in the chat board here. Please find that link or reach out to the display number here. You can make a note of the display number. Again, we are dropping it in the chat board to complete your registration team. Please don't forget to share the screenshot to the WhatsApp numbers we given in the chat. Click the link. You can able to redirect to the payment gateway. After confirmation, please reach out to the support numbers what we given by confirming that you have paid the fee with the screenshot. That is important, or else we might miss the track. Okay. So please complete your registrations tonight, team. So tomorrow onwards, the batch will start, and from tomorrow we'll go ahead with our regular topics. So thank you everyone, team. Once again, sorry for keeping you wait for a long time. I promised it the session will close maximum 15-20 minutes extended, but somehow it got extended till now. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll start with our regular classes, team. Thank you everyone.